We see where Cricket West Indies is announcing $88 million in revenue from the hosting of last year's T20 Cricket World Cup. The regional governing body says they will be able to clear all their debt from the World Cup earnings. We're also seeing that the host territories combined generated some $1.66 billion from the event. Now, assuming that these figures are accurate, is it not fair to say it was a massive miscalculation by the Jamaican government not to submit a bid to get one of the packages for the hosting of the World Cup? With Jamaica being a big tourist destination, we're still the biggest cricket-playing country with the biggest cricket-playing and cricket-loving population in the Caribbean. Knowing all we know now and seeing these revenue numbers emerging, is it safe now to say that because of cowardice and a lack of vision, Jamaica missed the boat? Yes, the boat. See the boat, we missed it.